2 and 1.
Me too.
Never have I ever seen The Matrix.
What?
That's cheap!
That's
Come on. Come on. Seen that shit, man. Come on. I'm gonna Jeep, right?
I just drank.
Oh.
Never have I ever watched Lifetime.